Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can withdraw your money from Trust Wallet to your bank account. So there's no direct method that you can withdraw money from your Trust Wallet to your bank account. So first of all, you have to convert your cryptocurrencies into any fiat currency like USDT, Bitcoin or Ethereum. In order to convert them into fiat currency, you have to send your cryptocurrency to any reliable exchange like Binance. So first of all, transfer your cryptocurrency to your Bitcoin or any other coin from Trust Wallet to Binance on any other reliable exchange. Then sell that cryptocurrency via fiat like USDT, Euro, etc. Once you convert your cryptocurrency to USDT or Euro, then you can attach your bank account with your Binance, or you can sell them on P2P. Once you sell them on P2P or attach your card, then you can withdraw your money into your bank account. So this is the way how you will withdraw your money from your Trust Wallet to your bank account via any exchange. Thank you for watching.